Hi, this is Josh with E.C.D. Today I'm going to show you how to do a soft top removal on a Defender. So we'll come to the back here. This is where we'll start. We'll first unzip this back panel. We will open tail door. This is the number one question I get as far as for customers. So I take my right hand and I pull down, and then I pull out, and then I can slide out the bar. We'll take the bar out of the channel. We'll put it in the vehicle. Then we'll take this back window and we'll put it over on the top. Then we'll come over to the driver's side. We'll unzip this window. This one, some have zippers, some have snaps. We'll undo it with the Velcro. Then it has a channel, so we'll undo it out of the channel and we'll put it over the top. Then we'll come over to this side. We'll do the same thing. We'll unzip, snaps off, and then undo the channel. Okay, once we have that, then we'll go inside. Basically, we have two straps on each side, so we can do this one. Then we'll basically undo this one off the top bar, and we'll let that hang. So they're both hanging. They'll basically do the same on the driver's side. Let this one hang, pull this one off. So basically you have both hanging. So you have a total of 4 straps back here. You have the window up, then we'll come in here, we'll undo the Velcro top bar. Make sure that is off and loose. Then I like to go around, open up the passenger door. We have Velcro here, so we'll undo this off the support bar. And then we have another channel. Pull the channel out. Put this under the roll bar here. We'll basically put that on the top, and then we'll undo this Velcro over the bars. So basically now this whole back section is loose. Then while I'm here, we have 3 straps here. We'll undo, if you have these covers, Velcro covers. We'll undo the straps, take these actually out. Basically just let this one hang for now. And then you can reach this one, we'll do the same. Undo it here, take that one off, and just let that hang. Then while I'm here, we will take the rings off the white clips. So basically you have 1, 2, 3, take those off, run them through. And now basically you have the whole side loose. And then we'll go over to the driver's side. Open the driver's door. Take the 3 Velcro straps on this inner support bar off. Undo the channel. Undo the Velcro here. Roll this under. And put it over the top here. Just nice and flat. Then, like we did the other side, pull off the 3 rings off the white clips and pull those through. So now you're basically completely loose all the way to the top edge. So the next step is get up on the side step, pull forward, and you're gonna just pull just like the side channels. You're gonna pull that lip out. So it'll have a half a lip on that side and then half over here. Then get up on the side step, pull forward on the top, and now you're totally loose. Now what I do, usually I have a second person over there, but what we'll do is we'll fold this. I recommend putting some type of towel or something to cover the windows. Basically what we'll do is we'll fold this over onto the soft top, and then we'll do, once all the windows are covered, We'll fold it one more time very nicely. We will fold the corners up, over. Be careful of the straps. And then once you have a towel up there, then what I do is I fold the straps over into themselves, and then we'll lay it with another person, lay it on a shelf in the garage, and just keep it flat in there. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. But this is basically how to remove a soft top off a Defender. You can always call our warranty department if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.